The Sawtooths are just special. Being from Idaho, it adds another level to it. They represent us. They represent what we're all about. This is the outdoors. Things happen, you know, a couple falls, the bear spray. We did have a bear spray incident.
My bear spray works.
If you're prepared, you get through it when things don't quite go your way.
No thunderstorms in the forecast. All of a sudden it's raining. And we got lightning and thunder.
Hopefully it's a nice easy climb, but I doubt it. Is it worth the trip? Yeah, it's worth the trip.
All right, so here we are, finally, in my favorite place on planet Earth, Stanley, Idaho, and the Sawtooth Wilderness. And this week, we're doing a number of hikes. Obviously, this place has tons of hiking. It's a hiking mecca. Quick update on the YouTube channel. This is still the adventures of John and Chad, but you might have noticed that Chad's been coming in and going out. When we started this YouTube channel, it was my idea, and Chad's been super supportive, but he's at a different place in his life, a different place in his career. So you will see Chad for some of the bigger projects that we do on the channel, and then for some of the smaller stuff, I'll be doing it solo, and sometimes I'll have an assistant. So on this trip, I brought my buddy Brett, old rugby pal, someone that's worked with Chad and I before. He's younger than me, which I don't like at all. So today we're doing probably the most popular hike in Stanley, and that is the Redfish trailhead to Fishhook Meadow. This is a really easy 4.2 out and back. There's about 300 feet in elevation gained, so it's easy. And it's also something that you can do early in the season, like in June. And to find this place, it's also really easy. Head over to Redfish Lodge. The turn to Redfish Lodge, right after that turn, is a big parking lot. You park there, and then about 300 feet northeast of you is this trailhead marked by this big sign that says the Redfish Trailhead. I'm super excited. This is the crown jewel of Idaho. Should we get started, Brett?
Let's do it.
All right.
Last night I had a dream, a vision in my sleep. At long last I could see patterns in the fabric of our being. Shadow dancing in the hollow. Your shadow underneath the wind.
Yeah.
Gonna drop it in the water. You're gonna speed ramp into it?
Last night I had a dream. Was all the way it seemed. My blood in front of me. Branches floating water ankle deep. Shadow dancing in the hollow. Your shadow underneath the
We have found one little dispersed campsite right here, right in front of the meadow. So Brett and I are gonna go explore. We got plenty of time, and then we'll come back here we'll relax, we'll watch a beautiful sunset over the Sawtooth Mountains. Sounds a little too romantic for my liking.
Sunset.
Yeah, I like alliteration. All right, let's go check out that side hike. When you're just out here and you have a camera in your hand, you just can't stop shooting. Yeah, it's like, I just shot the same scene. Well, shoot again.
Day in, day out in my life. Fade in, fade out, passing by. Stuck in my head, I will never, never last alone. All in my head, I would never care unless you are. With my heart on a string, and my life had you well.
It's definitely a cool place to watch the sunset.
Day in, day out in my life. Fade in, fade out, passing by. Lights in, lights out on the road. Turning my heart into stone. Day in, day out in my life. Fade in, fade out, passing by. Lights in, lights out on the road. Telling my heart how to move. Stuck in my head, a melody I'm too tired to sing. All in my head, sensing a line to how I feel. With my heart on a string, and my life had you well.
I totally filmed an ending and all that with the please subscribe and the Instagram handle, and after putting the video together, it just didn't feel right. I don't know, I've just wanted to make something about the Sawtooths for so long, and to tell the story of the Sawtooths the way I wanted to tell it. Finally sitting down and looking at it and, you know, completing the first episode and just leaning back and seeing it, I don't know, I mean, I got emotional, yeah, so thank you for watching, and we'll see you on episode 2.